Hey everyone, I'm from Regrob.com, India's leading real estate brokerage firm, and today we are visiting at Sugam Habitat project, which is located at EM Bypass Road, Kolkata. So friends, we are standing outside the project and this is the main entrance gate. So this is the exterior view of Sugam Habitat project. This project is built across 3.75 acres of land and carries 7 number of towers with 8 floors each and total comprises of 322 numbers of units. It offers 2, 3 and 4 BHK residential apartments. So here you can see the various towers. It's an under construction project. As you can see, the construction work is going on in full swing. The possession of this project will be given by December 2019. So this is the project location. And here you can see the various materials. So this is the construction site and here you can see the construction work of basement is going on. So this is the exterior view of the project from the main road. And now we are on the main road which is in front of this project. And this way leads towards Bondal Road, Baliganj Pari. And this way leads towards EM Bypass, which is just 700 meters from this project. So thank you friends for watching this video. For more real estate updates, kindly subscribe to our channel, and for booking, kindly call us at the given number. Thank you.